Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the job opportunities for testing. So the very first job opportunity is for hiring of a QA automation and a QA manual engineer in Bangalore. So budget is 25 to 35 LPA fixed and experience is 4 to 8 years. So these are the roles that are open. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. They are looking for someone who is having hands-on experience with automation tools like Selenium, REST Assured, Postman, Jira, Browser Stack, and someone who is having strong background in ensuring high quality, scalable, and reliable product delivery. Then you can also apply into one more company. So this is for QA automation interns. So anyone who is looking for the QA automation internship can apply, and the location is Chennai. Duration is 3 months. This form needs to be filled up. So they are looking for the interns who can design the test case, execute the test case, and do the automation using tools like Selenium, and coordinates with the developers and the senior QA engineers to understand system requirements and create test strategies. So you can apply via this particular link itself. Then there's a requirement for manual testers. It's Gurugram on-site, 1 to 8 years of experience. Immediate joiners are required. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA automation, JavaScript, Cypress, again full-time. And this is the email address, QA automation, again Selenium plus Java, banking. And the location is Hyderabad. And then there is a requirement for QA engineer, again hybrid, Bangalore, and there is a requirement for software tester freshers. And the location is Mumbai, 0 to 1 year, immediate joiners, and this is the email address where you can apply. Next is for the fresher. So if you are a fresher and you are having experience of up to 6 months, then you can apply for the job opportunity of a QA engineer, manual testing, and this is the email address hr@netzillatechnologies.com. InvoiceSmart is also hiring for QA testers, and they are looking for someone who is having knowledge and has worked on QA manual testing with strong experience in API testing. The location is provided. Experience required is 3+ years, and key skills are functional testing, manual testing, or API testing. And interested candidates can drop in their CV at this email address. Okay. Then Capgemini, Bangalore, and Hyderabad location are also hiring, and they are hiring for the testing in telecom domain with 5 to 7 years of experience, such as in CRM, billing across services like mobile, prepaid, postpaid, cable TV, voice, and video services. And this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there is a requirement for QA functional testing at a Mohali location. Experience is 5 to 8 years. The requirement is manual plus automation. So they are preferring local candidates from Mohali and Chandigarh only. So interested candidates can share their details at this email address, or the contact numbers is also provided. So these are few of the details for the testers. So if you are the one who is looking for the job opportunity, you can apply for this, because I shared with you the remote job opportunities, the fresher job opportunities, the intern job opportunities, as well as the job opportunities for experience. So you can apply for these particular jobs today itself. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.